How to use Copilot to edit a Word document. All right, I'm doing this on Microsoft Edge, and you're going to need to have Copilot installed or activated on your computer. Now, if you want to edit a document or edit anything in your Copilot, all you need to do is just simply highlight it, and then use the Control key and C to copy. Once you've copied it, go ahead and click on the Copilot symbol at the top right corner of your browser. Once you have clicked on it, Copilot is going to be enabled. Now go ahead and paste in your message, and then just simply prompt the AI. You could simply tell it to simplify this and then hit enter, and then it's going to do its best to simplify the message. And now all you need to do is copy the results and then simply paste it back in. So once you found one, just go ahead and copy it, use the Control key and C again, and then paste it in here. So just go ahead and paste it on the document you're currently using, and it would reflect. All right, guys, that's one way of using your Copilot to edit a document. The other way is asking it to rewrite what you've wrote. You could also ask it to fix your grammar and clarity. So let's say you want to fix something. Let's say you want this changed. You could just simply enter the message again and then check, ask it to check for errors, and then hit enter. Once you have, it's going to check for errors in your statement, and then you can simply copy it. If there are no spelling mistakes or no errors, you will be notified. And then if there are, you could just simply copy the solution and then simply paste it in on your browser. All right, guys.